Yane, this is South Africa for you. How qala o bua nnete, how qala o expose batho, o expose dilo tse ba di etsang, they start coming for you. That is South Africa for you. Right now, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi o expose tse dilo tse etsalang South Africa, tse etswang ke di leaders tsa rona. Ibile nje, they are not even worthy to be called the leaders. They are standing as the minister, they are standing as the president, they are standing as the businessman, but yet they know General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has exposed all those things that have been happening. Right now, so Shaila Ngwanyana from nowhere, what was Kangin Safe, to accuse General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. The question that we should be asking ourselves, a clever South African who wants a better South Africa will ask themselves this question. All this time, where was this girl who is now accusing General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi of all the things that he is accusing him for? Where was this woman? Where was this girl? Or where were all these ladies? Why didn't he say all the things that she is saying right now? But I'm telling you, people of South Africa, it is about time that we rise up now and say enough is enough. And that's why even some of us, we are aware that whatever we are doing, even now as we stand with General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, there are those who will not be excited. We know as we start speaking like this, we will become the targets, and we don't care. And that's why I keep saying that as young people of South Africa, we must now get to a place whereby we tell ourselves that if some of us must die for the truth, let that be. If some of us must die must be arrested for telling the truth, let that be. But it can't be that we will be silenced because of we are telling the truth. It can't be that we will be silenced for calling a spade, for calling a sellout. It can't be that in our beautiful country, South Africa, people will go and do as they please and they steal as they please, and we will keep quiet. So they must know that we are standing with General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. That when they are coming for General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, they are coming for South Africans who want a better South Africa, who want a South Africa that is free from corruption.